Bang, these knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife, Kara.
Hi, I'm excited.
And today we have a really awesome unboxing. We're just going to get to it really quick. Let's do this. Really excited about this.
The Vigor by Kaiser. Hello. Whoa.
You got to relax.
I know what this first case is. I haven't even seen the name. Is this a Tuya?
Get it out. No.
Oh, man. It feels like their case.
Okay, so this is a Damned Designs. That's their case. Ooh.
I've seen this before.
Yes, you have. Oh, yeah.
This package has a scent.
Super sweet. I've been seeing these all over YouTube. Everybody check these guys out.
That was like 3 flips.
That was 2.
We never do more than 2.
No, we do.
No, we do a 2 past 2.
Okay,
Ah! I get to enjoy without being harassed.
This thing's awesome. That action is amazing. Look at that. Is that carbon fiber? It's carbon fiber, right? Red carbon fiber, yes.
Yeah, shredded.
Red shredded carbon fiber.
Oh, no. Oh, my God. Sorry. There we go. Ooh, I like the sound.
It's very
It even
smooth.
does that on the clothes. It has like a...
Yeah.
Whoosh. Did you hear it go backwards?
Yeah, some of the Tucsons do that too. That is... Oh, that action is so sweet.
Can I do it? Are you ready? I'm so excited.
This is M390.
We didn't even say who this is from. Let's take a moment to get through
Oh, shit. We're way too
so
excited. Okay, so this is from Abby _normal _ 1969 on Instagram. We also talked to him a lot on YouTube. So we asked him if we could check out some knives, or he offered to let us check out some knives, and we could not refuse.
Yes.
And yeah, so this is so awesome. He was willing to pay for all the shipping and everything, which is such a blessing to us right now.
He sent us a pillow. It's nice and soft.
What a sweetheart.
With a V.
All right, open it up.
I don't know what that means.
Open
Somebody's
it up.
probably already seen it and being like, oh, I have no idea what that means. Oh my gosh, it's velvet on the inside.
Ooh.
What am I looking at? I know this. Oh my God, I know what this is. This is a Ray Laconico knife.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is it, if you know what it
I think it's
is?
the baby bear, I think.
Oh my, I think this is the angry.
Maybe it's the angry.
The anger.
Angry bear?
It's perfect for me because Jared always calls me a crab. Ain't that right?
She's a little walking crab.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
You really like this knife, and this is why I actually request this, because
my
you gave me a
God.
list of knives, and I requested this because I know Kara's been looking at this on YouTube for a while, and she always really liked it. I think Stasa 23 has one. I know a bunch of people have them.
I like the space in these holes. I love Ray Laconico. There you also are. Handing you an open knife.
We have one Ray Laconico knife, right? Yeah, one.
Do it.
Ooh, yeah. I think
Isn't it lighter?
I don't know if Rehab or We makes these.
V makes them.
I think We makes them.
V.
I think We makes them.
It's this.
This thing is really cool. I like that clip. Nice clip.
This is a great pouch.
Love this hollow ground blade.
That's amazing, right?
And again, I'm going to talk about it right now. I like American Tontos more than I like Japanese Tontos. Not that I don't like Japanese Tontos, but oh man, good action. All right, let's get to the next one. Wait,
is there a recurve?
Yeah, it's like
back by the end.
It's got a little recurve right here that gives you a little bit of belly right here in the middle.
I wonder how that would be to sharpen.
Nice edge on it, and then you get the American Tonto right there with a dual grind. Let me see if that's coming up on the camera. With a dual grind, very cool.
You can make sure that refocuses now.
It's already refocused.
Okay, I'm just saying. We have a faulty camera.
Let me just show this really quick because I didn't show it up close. Let me just one time. This was the other one. Very cool. Super sweet. Okay. We should have did this facing down, guys, but we want to show like our facial expressions and stuff.
Then you won't get to see me hyperventilating.
All right, let's do it.
For the next one. It's a Saviv E. Oh,
This is a We. That's a We knife.
Oh yeah. Oh, you liar. I was like, wait a minute. This
I think
is
it's a
not
We
a
Practice.
Saviv.
I think. Is that am I right?
I know this knife. I don't know the name. Oh wow,
I think it's
that is
the We
unbelievable.
Practic. I think.
Praxis.
Praxis, is that what it
I thought
is?
that was a Civivi Praxis.
No, there's a Wii one.
Maxis?
No.
It is unbelievably
Am I right? I think I'm wrong.
flippity on the way out. Snappy guy.
Wii just does the best action.
It's a snappy
We'll know
guy.
all the information.
And it's
on
G10,
everything.
so I'm assuming it's a more affordable Wii, which is awesome because the action is just as incredible
This
as anything.
Oh, this is awesome.
Right?
This is I love Wii knives, man. Wii just does amazing knives. You know, and Wii, that's for the return packaging.
Okay.
Such good action. Damn it, that's good action.
There's a loose knife in here?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't package it.
Just want to make sure.
Is there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
What do you got up your sleeve?
Nothing. I'm just holding on to it because I'm excited.
Okay, we're gonna do reviews on all these guys. We just wanted you guys to see our reaction. This is awesome. Dang it, I wish I could remember the name on that. Okay, go ahead.
Oh my god! I've always wanted to check this out.
The Iona.
Yes! This is a giant mouse.
Iona.
Ace. It's
just Iona.
It says Ace.
Ace Iona?
Yeah, it is Ace.
Okay, Ace Iona. I didn't know Ace was
It is an M390. Now, the weird part is, I believe this is FRN, correct? Isn't that the
G10.
thing?
Oh.
I thought it was FRN. No. You're thinking of the newer one.
Oh, okay.
It's FRN and M390, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, so they can make it really budget. You know what? I think they're making
it's
a
like
titanium
90.
version
It's under $100. I think it's like 90 something. And I love the wire clip. Now, I wanted this knife a while back.
This is smooth.
And I didn't wind up getting it. And I don't really remember why. But I think they started making these in like a micarta version. Or is that a different knife?
I don't know, but I do know. I think they're making a titanium version now.
I need to see.
That is
I need to see it with my hands.
Really.
No.
There's something else in there.
Yeah. Let me see this first. Yeah. I like how it has that. I like knives every once in a while that don't, like, drop shutty is not the epitome of good. And I love knives sometimes that have that nice, smooth open and smooth close. I love that.
Yeah, this is very, very smooth. I wonder if it's... Yeah, it's on phosphor bronze. That's why. That's why it's that silky smoothness. And I think you're right, though. I think they are making a micarta version out of this now. I think. This is sweet.
Something else.
Okay, go ahead.
I have it right here. I don't want to give it. Oh, I know.
Pull it out.
Dang it, I know what it is.
How do you know?
I know the brand. You're gonna lose it.
Okay.
Don't peek.
Let me see it.
Don't peek.
Come on.
No peeking. Avert your eyes.
Oh, yeah.
I have it in my hand. Oh
this
my god.
Is
oh my
the
god.
mass drop. Just give me 1 second. It's a Ferrum Forge mass drop. Dang it. Now I can't even think of the name of it.
Wow. Whatever
I requested this and I can't remember the name of it. I'm such an idiot and I feel like such an asshole right now.
That is a very strong detent. Holy crap. I almost couldn't even get past it. Because man, it's dense. I don't think there's any milling in this. Let me see.
This is going to drive me nuts.
There isn't. I can tell. And I knew it. Let me try one flicky. Can't do it. Very strong detent. Ow. I lost my fingernails. Now they hurt.
It's not. You just got to do it with the meat of your finger, not your nail. Do it with the meat. Like that. Man,
I know. I have my ring on my left hand, so I don't want to use my left hand to do it and scratch it. Oh. It's heavy, right? I love how they left it
I like
dense.
the weight of it.
Yeah, because it's not a big knife.
This thing feels so good. Let's see if I can get it. And this grip right here, just like this.
It's got a really nice matte finish on the scales as well.
Love that detail. Man, we makes this. I know that.
Can I see it again?
Yeah, just give me 1 second. I like the access to the lock bar. Nice access. We just does a heck of a job. Ooh, dang it, that was my fault. Let me see if we can thumb flick it.
It's got a strong detail. It's not going to be the best, like, fidget flicky sort of thing.
To me, it's perfect.
Well, I wouldn't know because I can't try. Thanks. I don't feel like I like this angle.
Well, you don't have the middle finger. Just use the flipper
I
tab.
have to. I shall learn, as I learn on every knife. Ow!
Don't try the thumb. The thumb's not that easy. Look. Just use the meat. Use the meat.
I don't have meat.
Okay, use the meat at the bottom. How about that?
Bottom meat?
Look, bottom meat.
I don't think I can. We'll give it a try.
That thing feels really well built.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
I have to get my grip adjusted to that sort of position.
Get in your palm, though. You're going to get it. You'll get it before,
I always
within a
do.
day. Or you'll
Almost
get
there, guys. 3/4 of the way.
Forget it. This thing is really awesome. I can't remember the name of it for the life of me. I know it's a Ferrum Forge. I know, obviously, it's Mass Drop. But it's a Ferrum Forge something. Dang it. I know one of you guys are sitting there at the camera just screaming the name. And I'm just going to type it in the screen because I'm an idiot. And I requested a knife and then can't even remember the name of it. I knew what it was when I saw the name of it. That's why I requested it. And I knew that I wanted to check it out really bad.
Proof.
That you could do it?
Yeah.
What you trying to do?
In case this is your first time watching,
You
I don't
do with
totally
this thing.
suck. I don't know if I can.
Yeah, this one's
It's tight. It's like tight pivot action.
well, no, it's smooth pivot. That's the problem. Is it doesn't have a detent. Well, it has a detent, but not like the flicky detent.
I can.
Good job, baby. I love the
Anyway,
sound of
this is an
thing.
absolutely great package. Thank you, Abby_normal_1969. I don't know why I just said that like a robot. This is great, though. We haven't done an unboxing video in a while.
I love this blade shape.
Excitement through the roof. We can't wait to play with these, throw them in videos. We very, very, very much
All
appreciate
these knives
this.
are epic. Thank you so much, man.
You have to get up and turn the camera off.
I'm gonna have to turn this camera off eventually.
No, I mean you have to do it.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end this here. We're gonna have some really cool reviews. Thank you so much, Abby. We really appreciate this.